Good afternoon. Happy December 21st. We're going to start with a Christmas story because I'm late today and Robert's down here. Let's see, it better be it. Uh-oh, you knocked over the bumpus.
Man. There's another ding.
It's the topper of the... We assume it's a Christmas tree.
Ho,
it's got a star on it. It's a Christmas tree.
Ho, ho, ho.
There it is. Not the prettiest tree ever, but I guess it goes with the vinyl.
He's just not losing all of his needles.
No, you don't have to worry about that.
That's the balsam.
I knew you were going to say that. All right. That was a little predictable on your part, Robert. 21. Let's see what the flying bat has.
A little predictable?
I was teasing you. I was about to say it. You beat me to it. All right, we got cute little stickers.
You're just angry because I beat you.
You did beat me to it. I was about to say it. The 21st. We get white chocolate and strawberry. Sounds familiar. Joke of the day. What music gets popcorn to dance? Oh, jeez. It's pop. Pop rock. Hip hop. Oh, my God. I was wrong. It's hip hop.
Oh.
I disagree with this. This can have more than one answer. No, you only got a couple more days. You can tough it out. This is the problem with advent calendars. Towards the end, everyone gives up.
Yeah.
Everyone gives up. I think it says eclairs. All right. We're not giving up. We're sticking to it. We're seeing this.
True.
They're seeing this through to the end. I'm sure everyone gives up. They're like, whatever. We're done with this. I can't even get it out.
Stupid bags of
Robert's beating himself up because he did actually pick out the popcorn one.
I picked that one too, though.
He likes savory popcorn. So this one, yes, he did. I wasn't going to get this even though I loved it, but he's like, no. Happy December 22nd. Let me move the leg lamp out of the way. Oh, as I knocked the Christmas tree over.
Stupid tree.
I still knocked the leg lamp over.
Another hound.
I know, yay! I told you we'd get 3 hounds.
I just ruined the whole scene. That's
And
fabulous.
wow, they went all out. 3, we got triplets. Triplet hounds. All right.
Triple hounds.
Gosh forbid they make a second mold. Let's see. Oh, another book of carols. This one is Churchyard Bells. This popcorn one's looking a little beat to crap. All right, Banoffee pie. Someone told me what this was and I already forgot. I think this is the one that tastes like banana. All right, goes to that nice stack for movie night, right? What kind of party is held in a cornfield? A cornucopia? No, that's not a party. A Mazatov?
I don't know.
A cornball? How did we not know that?
What's a cornball?
A cornball. You know, like a ball. Sometimes parties are called balls back in the Victorian age.
Oh, okay, I got you.
We should have got that one.
All right.
That one was easy.
That's fine.
22nd. Is that the 22nd?
Losing my patience.
You are losing. This is my favorite. A Dinky Decker. I don't know why I like the name. It's funny.
Who's that dog?
It's a very nice dog.
Oh, what's his name? Does he have a name?
How would I know?
That's Happy the dog.
That's Happy the dog?
I don't know.
Oh my God, you said it like you knew.
Yeah, it kind of looks like him.
22nd. Where's the 22nd?
Right there.
Right there. Thank you, honey. What's it gonna be? A Christmas tree. So yeah, we've already ran errands today. I'm trying to get up early, beat the crowd, been to Target, been to Deerberg's. Now we're going to the post office, and that's it. I'm gonna be a lazy bum for the rest of the day. All right, so Robert just pointed out that I said 3 days left, and he said no, only 2 days left. So do advent calendars go to the 24th or the 25th? technically this Christmas story only has 2 squares left, so that's the 24th. Happy December 23rd. Yes, we can hear the cat eating in the background. It's a very loud eating cat. What
There's
is it?
Santa
Oh,
Claus.
it's Santa.
We knew he was coming.
That's a good Santa.
That is a
That's
good
a very,
Santa.
give me him.
I got him to stand on the thing.
He's a little crabby looking.
Well, he wasn't happy. You remember? Ho, ho, ho. Remember?
He was a very crabby Santa. That line was ridiculous. I don't blame him for being crabby. All right, so it is there more than one in there? Nope, just one little ornament book. Behind the Screams 20 Fun Facts About the Film. That's interesting. 23rd. Salted caramel. All right. Hold on. Can you hear my husband sighing? He's had it with the Advent. Did you hear about the farm dog who liked to strip ears of corn? He was a corn husky. He was part husky. I like my answer better.
That's pretty impressive.
I almost had it.
Yeah, I didn't even think of it.
Because you husk corns?
I know what a husk is.
That's fine.
I had a husky.
I know you had a husky. That was a good one. But, oh, this is one of my favorites. This is a good one. And then here's the Hallmark Channel. Shocker. Get it another time. All right, 23rd. Ooh, that's a nice big Santa.
Oh, Santa in 2 places.
2 Santas today. It's a double Santa day. All right, now we got to run to the incredibly busy post office, I'm sure. Happy December 24th. It's Christmas Eve. Go for it. Our last square.
The Rabbit Man.
I hope so.
It is, Ralphie. Oh, man, I can't get it out.
You just knocked everyone over.
Yeah, you're going to have
All
to get that one.
All right, I'll be right back. All right, here's Ralphie in his pink bunny outfit. So that really was a good Advent calendar. I'm very happy with how that one turned out. All right, now let's go to Nightmare Before Christmas. Here's Oogie Boogie on the 24th. It's going to be something big because he's a big guy. What does he got in there? What does he got? Oh, a lenticular postcard. Jack is falling down when he got blown to smithereens. That's pretty cool. And this one does actually have a 25th. I'm going to go to open it now so I can post this tomorrow. I don't want to worry about it first thing tomorrow, so I'm opening it now. So, Merry Christmas. Here is for me. And it is is this a pop socket? Is this what this is? Huh. It's a pop socket, which actually, my current pop socket is faded beyond. All right, the Popcorn Advent. So this one only has 24, and this was the least favorite of all our Advent calendars. Orange chocolates. The last joke of the day. What did Popcorn say to Jack in the Box? Robert, what did the popcorn say to Jack in the Box? Like, it's like, they don't say like a Jack in the Box. It's like 2 Jack in the Box. Like he's like this big guy, Jack in the Box. Pop goes the weasel. Oh my God. That was so bad. I'm pretty sure anyone under the age of 40 is not going to get that one. And that was it. So, and I also am getting ready to throw these. This one's going to be thrown away. I'm keeping these 2. All right. And then the Cadbury only has the 24th. Hold on. All right. Cadbury, last day is the day. And it ends with my favorite, a Cadbury cream egg. Yay. Very nice. That's it. That one is done. And then Hallmark, excuse me, it has 2. It does have a Christmas Day one. I guess that's an American thing. And then I'm going to go ahead and open tomorrow's. Future Jenny is opening this right now. If I can get it out. Actually, these are really the best chocolates ever. I haven't really been eating them, but I will soon. And then here we go. Pretty sure there is only a 24th. There is no 25th on this calendar. This one's from Belgium. Look at that. That's a good ending. It's a bottle of champagne. All right, that's it. No more advent calendars. I don't know what I'm going to do every morning. Look how thick this is. This is a nice block of chocolates.
Holy cow, that's all chocolate. Oh my God.
That's going to be a nice breakfast. I really am going to miss my advent calendars. Robert, will you make me some advent calendars for every day? No? 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 All right. But out of all of them, number one favorite was The Christmas Story. Number two favorite was the Nightmare Before Christmas. And this one, I'm pretty sure, both these you can find on Amazon all throughout the year, I believe. These are all more seasonal ones. And I did like the Cadbury. I'd buy the Cadbury again. I would not do this. I would only do the Hallmark if I couldn't find any other ones I liked because it was kind of boring. But I absolutely would do this Belgian one every single year. It's the best chocolate.